devotion to the Senior Santo Niño. So, can we do figures 1, figures 2, and figures 3? With the music, we have the music ready?
Wow! With the music! Ready, everybody should stand and participate.
Because I know everybody's getting cold because of the rain. Now, let's see it up everybody, right?
Higher, higher, higher.
Let us remember that the first figure is a step of praise. And the second figure is a step of petition. And the last figure is a step of thanksgiving. Kompleto na agad ang ating panalangin sa pagsayo pa lang ng sinulog.
Yes, okay?
Music maestro, ready?
Music. Lahat po tayo mga kapatid, ha? Palaging sumayaw. Galaw-galaw ng lumabas ang araw.
Wala na ang ulan.
Ready!
Santo Niño.